Alright. So, pretty patient for the morning. Now we have price ended up holding this 4 hour busy. We closed over the midpoint. So I'm pretty much looking for higher at this point. Market already started to move up. So I'm looking for an entry to trade this higher. ES moving up also. ES when it took it slow though. So I think we got that SMT at the lows for it. Yeah, we do. So wait, see if we get a pullback to long this up. Pull back to this gap right here. I'm also getting a 5 minute inverse here. We're fighting at the midpoint of the 30 minute Civi. We're fighting. Yeah, so more importantly, we have an hourly gap here. So perfectly rejecting that hourly. Watching that also. I think how we react in this gap is going to be very important. Okay, starting to move down. Now you want to see how we react inside this 1 minute here. If it inverses, we can see lower off of this rejection, this 4 hour. If it starts to hold, we'll probably start seeing price trade higher. I'm not opposed to either one, honestly. Starting to get this move up, so I'm kind of thinking that price wants to continue going up. Oh, okay, this thing is set to the wrong settings, obviously. How does it limit by that low?
Order filled.
So try to long there.
Order filled.
You're up 2 contracts, I guess. Not not getting heavy sizing on this at all. And I said, let's do a gap pull. See price start trading up out of here pretty strongly. Some target set. we feel this will go break even. So pretty close break even point, not too far off. Another target is 4-hour gap entry. Yeah, this gap has to hold. If the gap starts to inverse, then we're gonna go lower pretty fast. If it holds, we should be good. This candle flips its low. We'll probably start going lower. I'm gonna see it start to hold up and you start to push up out of here. If this inverts though, maybe in for a tough ride. Minutes started pulling back. We're approaching this low right here. Yeah, that 15-minute flip. This looks like a totally different chart now than what we were just looking at. We gotta see a strong 15-minute recovery before the closure. See if we hold this 4-hour midpoint here. We'll love to see price get aggressive here and push out of this area. I don't like the way that 15-minute candle looks, so I'm gonna be so honest. I'm gonna give this a chance to lose through now. I want to see that midpoint hold. This wants to go up. Starting to get somewhat of an aggressive price move. I want to see that continue up. There we go. Price starting to recover a bit. Damn, that's one more right there. Where'd the other TP go? What the heck? Deleted off the chart. Oh, this frozen? Oh, is that it? Oh, yeah, we need some higher TPs. This would be a TP too, obviously. I thought I had another TP that was a bit closer. No? That's just the break even. Okay. 15 minutes starting to get a better closure. It's a little bit more what we wanted. inversion here. Let's just put the stops at. Probably would be able to add a contract there, but we'll keep same stops. We're not gonna start moving the trade around and changing it. Okay, we get over this high, we should be back in business. If you got this, why was this one big even? Like, was it an hourly or something? It's the hourly gap fill. Yeah, that makes sense actually. Okay, let's see, let's push up out of here. Back in the green. Back in the green. See, let's continue pushing. Honestly, depending on how aggressive this wants to be, this could turn into like a full day hold. Price wants to really move, it has the juice to. So looking at this right here, we don't want to see price come back down. We want to see it just continue and look closing out here. Honestly, I want to break even to the 30-minute gap fill just so this has a little bit more time to work. Break even at 84.5. This is a good look though. It's 15-minute close strong. That's what we wanted. 5-minute close as an engulfing, which is also a good thing, showing that buyers are strong. We held this 3-minute gap, showing that buyers want price to move up. A whole bunch of stuff that you want to see when you're long. Only thing that we could have got better was we could have waited for that pullback to get our entry. Had a better entry. But not gonna cry over spilled milk. We're in the trade. We're here. Trades in profit. Letting it work. Letting it work. See a push above this high. Inverse this hourly. And nearly start to get out of here. Oh, my laptop's about to die. There we go. I forgot it wasn't on charger. I ain't gonna pull alerts in. Let this keep working. Let this keep working. Bit of a pullback here. Not too worried about it. I think we can see a strong reversal pattern especially based off how the 4 hour looks and that 4 hour sell off. I would love for prices to come up here. Take all this out right here, just completely pump through the whole market. That'd be amazing. Flip this daily candle bullish. And maybe get a complete engulfing. Take out yesterday as well. And then finish at yesterday's high. Alright, how great would that be? I'd clap for that. I'd clap for that. So is it setting the market do this thing right here? Kind of consolidating at this high. I want to see a pop above. Get us out. Get us hard break even. Get us out. Let's trade risk free. No more risk on it. Sitting at about $100 floating profit. Good thing is, if when we do get this pop, this area right here should be protected. Start break even should be safe. Now we're about to inverse this hourly. There we go. Let's see if we hit our break even right here. It's just about there. Almost there. Uh, 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 uh. Alright. I don't know about break even though we didn't hit it exactly. If we turn around here, I don't like it. I want to see it's just to continue pushing up here, especially after we inverse that hourly. Don't want to see price come back down. I still got about to hit the point anyway. Go, 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 go. Yeah, it's like we're gonna hit the break even area anyway. Push through it. Yes, you're not holding this back, are you? No, you're not. Don't flip that candle though. Don't do it. Don't do it. Go push up to this high. Push up to this high. Go in Q. Go in Q. Go. You can do it. Wow, sellers already had their chance right here and right here. Now buyers just pushed up out of here. We are battling right here. Price is not gonna hit that area. Oh, there it goes. There you go. Price looks like it's starting to get more bullish, like it wants to start picking up. which obviously we're a fan of that, because we're long. So I want to see this closure, especially a nice 30-minute closure. A 30-minute closure, but this would be great. 30-minute closes kind of like this. We have merit to reverse back down, so I don't love that. The higher we close up, the better. Now 2 more minutes. $20 for this to give the strongest close possible. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm gonna see this close as an inverse. We almost got it, honestly. Yeah, just continue sending it higher, honestly. Make sure you guys didn't give us S&T here. Might not taking this high. Yeah, honestly, I think this really could continue up. I'm gonna just let it rock out. Literally continuing to rock, bro. Yeah, Q is starting to make. It's giving us a nice push. Up about 70 points from entry. Only thing with these trades now is like, man, the volatility has been so high. We gotta use wide stops so we don't have large sizing. But catching good moves on our way to TP1. There we go. Now we're starting to pick up. That's what we wanted to see. There we go. Yeah, this is looking pretty good now. Starting to get that upside aggression. Starting to get that upside aggression. Looking even better for our break-even point. I'm just gonna continue letting this rock. All right, I'm gonna let this keep working. Price is moving in my favor. I'm gonna take my dog out right now. There's no reason to overwatch this. I know I want to be in this trade for higher prices, so this 4 hour close up. And we'll see how we react at our next TP. But I like this so far. Alright. TP1 hit. It's a great thing to come back to. Sitting at about 1R. We're rolling. We are rolling right now. Price is just going. Over 100-point move so far. Right here, pretty much at this wick. I want to see prices continue up though. Not sure US. Yeah, US starts to pick up. Nasdaq really can start to move even more violently. We have volatility in the market, as you can see from the 4 hour. You pretty much took this whole move back, so just want to see this keep going. Really, that's all it is to it at this point. Yeah, it's somewhat of a pullback here. I'm not stressed about it. If we do choose to reject here, means you have the right TP. Price just doesn't want to expand higher. You know, I think it was this what hourly or 4 hour trail. So we close this up. This is no longer going to be a fair value gap. So price should want to seek to up here if it wants to continue being bullish. This could just be a normal pullback though. That's why I didn't draw stops under here. Or it could be reversal that sends it lower. Never know until it happens. You're in a bit of a pullback here. Nothing to really stress about though, honestly. We have a big move up. We're gonna have to have a pullback at some point. We stop out, but excuse me. So trading on back onto hourly inversion. See if we use it to bounce off of. So it's gonna be important when we close on the hourly. So a bit of a deeper pullback than we would have liked. So price pulling back even more, trading back into this range. See if we go up to 50%. This and start pushing back higher. We don't.
Order filled.
Alright. Tagged out at break even. This gives me a little bit more of a bearish take on the market. We're gonna close back inside this hourly. Oh, I should see if we inverse this and move up, and we could have means for higher. But if not, lower might be what it is. So I strong move through this. For how you got could be higher. Down to 16. So the thing is, we don't want to just 100% give up on our biases because we got tagged out, right? Now, if you reject here, start trading lower, then yeah, it's a good chance we'll continue down. So if we get back under this probably down for up a whopping $10. Do we inverse this here? Okay, I'll try it one more time.
Order filled. Order filled.
That moved pretty fast. Okay. High day is our new break even.
Are you taking me?
Yeah, give me 1 second. High day is our new break even. Everything else is still the same. Look at that. Look at that turnaround. Probably start to trick this. Alright, we got hit out break even. Seen us inverse this 1 minute SIBI right here while we were holding the hourly where it would be the midpoint of the new inverse. If this candle closes how it looks like it is, re-entered longs up one already. Stops are about to be at break even, so pretty much sitting right back where we were before in the day. Let's check ES, make sure ES isn't holding us back. ES looks like it's in tune, so once Nasdaq takes out the high and ES does the same, we should be chilling. But it's a pretty aggressive move, exactly what we wanted. Volatility started to kick in. This right here just looked like it was a pullback. Stops were a little close to tag us out, but I'm okay with that pullback because we were able to get in with double the size with the same risk on this. So, you know, can't be mad at it. Cannot be mad. But let's see how this plays out. With that pullback getting bought up like this, I think we could continue. Get down to TP right here for this hourly fill of this right here. We are gonna get the hourly inversion though, so I like that. I do like that. Batman like that. Okay, we got the hourly inversion. Now let's see if we hit our break. Let's see if we can hit our break even so we go risk free again. Alright, and then here I do have to hop off stream because I have to take my stuff I gotta take care of. But if you guys want to see how this played out, you can check my Twitter _